You may know Eastwood for our welders, paint equipment, rust solutions, auto body tools, detailing supplies, or metal fab equipment. We pride ourselves creating solutions for customers, whether it's during the beginning of your restoration or after your weekly cruise-in. We also know that sometimes you need more than just tools to do the job right. That's why we carry a huge selection of auto parts and equipment. Whether you need sheet metal for your next project or a brand new fuel injection system, you need to trust those parts like you trust your Eastwood tools. So we brought in some of the best brands in the business, like QA1, Phytech, Golden Star, Holley, Blueprint, Procar, Fragola, and so many more. So go head into the garage, start wrenching on that project, and rest assured knowing Eastwood is your one-stop shop for your restoration journey. If you're ever having trouble deciding on what to choose, feel free to give our project advisors a call. They're real car enthusiasts who can help you pick the right tools or the right parts for your project. As always, if you want more information on any of these brands or more Eastwood tools, head over to eastwood.com.